Welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Cleanliness is Godliness. As we are facing the pandemic COVID-19, we are trying our best to maintain cleanliness around ourselves. We are washing our hands frequently, sanitizing them, and maintaining proper cleanliness. Lesson 3 of your English book is Cleanliness is Godliness. Aman was the class monitor of class 5. The class teacher was very particular that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. Missing it would lead to serious punishment. That day, Aman found that Mohit did not attend the morning assembly. Aman was the monitor of class 5 and the class teacher was very strict that everyone should attend the morning assembly. But Aman found that Mohit was not attending. On returning to the class, Aman asked Mohit why he had skipped the assembly. They knew that their teacher was very strict about it. Before Mohit could answer, the teacher entered the class. The teacher asked Aman if everyone had attended the assembly that day. Aman replied that except Mohit, everybody had attended the assembly. Now, when everyone returned from the assembly, Aman asked Mohit. But before Mohit could answer anything, the teacher came and Aman reported to the teacher that except Mohit, everyone was present for the assembly. The teacher was surprised and asked, Mohit, is it true that Aman has said? Did you stay away from assembly today? Mohit said yes in a low voice and stood hanging his head. The teacher was very much surprised because she was very much strict and student used to follow the rules. And the teacher inquired Aman and Mohit both, and Mohit accepted his fault. And he stood hanging his head. Hanging his head means sar latka ke sharmindagi mein. ठीक है? He was standing like that. The teacher said, Mohit, you know, whoever misses the assembly is punished. Before giving you the punishment, I would like to know why you stayed away. The teacher said that if you're not attending assembly, you will be getting a punishment. So, before giving the punishment, I want to know the reason why you didn't attend the assembly. Mohit told the teacher that he had come to the school in time only, but the others had already gone for the assembly. Now Mohit explained that he was on time, but when he entered the class, everyone has left for the assembly. So he came inside the class to keep his bag, and when he entered the class, he kept his bag. When he was about to leave for the assembly, he noticed that the classroom was in shambles with dust, rubbish and other waste. The whole place was dirty and unhygienic. Now what Mohit found? That the classroom was very dirty. The teacher had always told them that cleanliness is next to godliness. Now the teacher has given them a lesson that cleanliness is next to godliness, means that is our duty to maintain cleanliness around us. So Mohit cleaned the room and therefore could not attend the morning assembly. He said to the teacher, since you have taught us the dignity of labor, I volunteer to tidy the classroom. If I have done something wrong, please pardon me, ma'am. I am ready to accept any punishment by you. Now Mohit explained why he was late for the assembly, why he didn't attend the assembly, and he told that the classroom was very much untidy and dirty. So, as the teacher had already taught them that they have to maintain cleanliness, he cleaned the classroom himself, and if he has done any mistake, he asked for pardon and he accepted his mistake. The teacher was moved by Mohit's words and said, Mohit, you have done a wonderful job. If everyone thinks and acts according to your views, your school will become the best. I am very proud to have you as my student. There is no punishment. The teacher was very happy that Mohit had volunteered himself and cleaned the classroom, and then said that there is no punishment for him. Mohit was highly appreciated by the teacher, who pointed him out as a model to be copied by all others. The teacher was very much happy with Mohit, and he pointed that every child, every student should be like Mohit. Now there is an exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, Aman was the class monitor of class 6. No. He was the class monitor of class 5. Very good. The class teacher was very strict that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. True. Third, Aman asked Mohit why he had skipped the morning assembly. True. Aman first asked Mohit and then reported to the teacher. Mohit made an excuse about missing the assembly. No. Mohit told the truth what all has happened. The teacher punished Mohit? No, the teacher did not punish Mohit. The teacher did not punish Mohit. Everyone was in the class when Mohit had come in the morning. No, everyone left for the assembly when Mohit came in the morning. Mohit came inside the class to keep his bag. True. The classroom was quite clean. False. The classroom was very dirty. We would be discussing the question answers in the next class. Thank you.